Welcome and thank you for being here. In today's video, we're stepping into an inspiring journey that begins with raw wood and ends with real creative success. This is a story about possibility, patience, and the quiet power of simple craftsmanship. From raw wood to riches is not about shortcuts or overnight success, but about discovering how humble wood scraps, often ignored or discarded, can become charming, profitable art that people genuinely love. Whether you are completely new to woodworking or already enjoy creating with your hands, this journey is meant to encourage you, showing that even the smallest projects can open the door to meaningful creative income. At the heart of this transformation is a shift in mindset. Raw wood scraps are often seen as leftovers, pieces too small or imperfect to matter, yet they carry incredible creative potential. When you begin to look at them not as waste but as opportunity, everything changes. Each piece of wood has its own grain, texture, and character, and when shaped thoughtfully, even the smallest offcut can become something beautiful. The magic lies in understanding that buyers are not always searching for large or complex items. They are often drawn to pieces that feel personal, handmade, and full of warmth. This realization is where accessible craftsmanship meets market appeal. As the process unfolds, the simplicity of the techniques becomes one of the most empowering aspects of the journey. There is no need for advanced machinery or years of experience. Basic tools, careful hands, and attention to detail are enough to create items that feel refined and intentional. Sanding becomes a moment of transformation, where rough surfaces soften and grain patterns come alive. Small adjustments in shape and finish can completely change the personality of a piece. Watching this transformation happen is not only satisfying but deeply motivating for viewers, as it proves that skill grows naturally through doing, not waiting. The charm of mini projects lies in their balance between effort and impact. Because they are small, they are less intimidating to create, yet they hold strong visual and emotional appeal. These projects fit easily into modern homes, making them attractive to a wide audience. They are also practical from a business perspective, as they require less material, less time, and are easier to package and ship. This combination makes them especially appealing for beginners who want to explore selling their work without feeling overwhelmed. The video gently demonstrates this balance, showing that success does not always come from doing more, but from doing thoughtfully. As each project comes to life, the importance of consistency becomes clear. Buyers trust creators who deliver quality repeatedly, even on a small scale. This is why many projects that are refined, repeatable, and well-finished tend to perform well over time. The video captures this rhythm, showing how familiar motions become smoother and confidence grows with each completed piece. This sense of progress is encouraging for viewers, reminding them that mastery is not about perfection, but about practice and persistence. Another key element of turning raw wood into profitable art is understanding the emotional connection buyers seek. People are drawn to handmade items because they carry a story. A small wooden piece made from scrap wood feels meaningful because it represents care, creativity, and sustainability. When viewers see how these projects are created, they begin to understand the value behind them. This understanding helps them imagine their own work being appreciated and purchased, turning a personal hobby into something that reaches others. Throughout the journey, there is a sense of joy and curiosity that keeps the process light and approachable. Mistakes are treated as learning moments, not failures. A slightly uneven edge becomes a design choice, and a knot in the wood becomes a feature rather than a flaw. This attitude is crucial for beginners, as it removes the fear that often stops people from starting. The video's tone reinforces the idea that creativity thrives in an environment of patience and playfulness. As the finished pieces are revealed, styled simply and thoughtfully, their appeal becomes obvious. Clean visuals and natural light allow the craftsmanship to speak for itself. These moments help viewers understand how presentation plays a role in market success. A well-made piece becomes even more desirable when it is shown in a way that feels calm and inviting. This part of the journey subtly teaches that selling art is not about pushing products, but about sharing beauty in a way that feels honest and natural. The transformation from raw wood to best-selling mini projects is not just a financial story, but a personal one. It reflects growth, confidence, and the courage to share your creations with the world. For many viewers, this realization is deeply inspiring. They begin to see their own potential, imagining how a simple idea could turn into something meaningful and rewarding. The video serves as a reminder that everyone starts somewhere, and that small steps taken consistently can lead to surprising outcomes. As the journey continues, the idea of creative income becomes less intimidating and more attainable. Viewers see that success does not require large investments or complicated systems. It requires clarity, care, and a willingness to learn. By focusing on small, high-demand projects, creators can build momentum and confidence over time. This approach makes the idea of selling handmade art feel realistic rather than overwhelming.